Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Fergie. If you happen to just be browsing, please like and subscribe. And to all my FK gang, welcome back. So today in Fergie's kitchen, we're going to be making a obese tea. So this is a tea for obesity. And here is my ingredients. It's Fergie. We'll be going with some green tea, some couch grass. Okay guys, not because it says couch grass you should sit on the couch. Remember, you should exercise during your weight loss journey. Oregano, this is marjoram herb, and some hawthorn flower. That's my ingredients for today guys, and I'll see you in a minute. So guys, here in this pot we have 6 cups of boiling water. To this I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of green tea, 1 teaspoon of couch grass, 1 teaspoon of marjoram, 2 teaspoons of oregano, and 2 teaspoons of hawthorn. And this I'm gonna let it sit and draw for like 15 minutes. You know, some tea bag says 2 to 3 minutes or 7 minutes, but there are different types of herbs there, and some takes longer to draw than the other. And I'll see you guys as soon as we're finished drawing. All right, so guys, here's another powerful weight loss tea coming from Fergie's kitchen. This one is actually for obese. So guys, you can have it as a tea, or you can just put it in your choice of bottle and sip on it all day throughout the day, just the same way you sip on a bottle of water. So guys, with exercise and a great diet, you should accomplish your goal by losing weight and cut that obesity. All right, I hope you guys enjoy, and please remember, Fergie loves you. Have a great one. Enjoy. Bye-bye.